How to add the custom font in React Native. So first of all, we should download our font from the Google. Just come to the your browser, Google font. Just search about your font. These are fonts. Download whatever you want. I already download my fonts. Now come to your projects. If you download your fonts from here, download, and then go to your downloads and open your folder and just come to your project. And project first you should create a src file, and then src we need to create a folder with the name of assets, and assets create another folder with the name of fonts, and then copy your all fonts, select your all fonts, and just now we need to add our fonts in Android folder. For that, open your Android folder, app, src, main, and create a folder with the name of assets. And in assets folder, create another file, another folder with the name of fonts, and just go select your all fonts and paste it. And after that you need to import your all font with the name. So for that you need to create a folder with the name of constant. Now you need to create a file with the font family.js. You should create your all font from here. I will show you like this. You should, after creating your all fonts in here, now you need to create another file in your main directory with the name of react native config.js, and import the file. Just write down these command in react native config.js, and after that you need to install your library react native assets. Just copy it and come here and paste it. Install your Android Studio again. Yarn. After installing library, it required to install your node modules again, and then I installed my node modules. After that you need to install your project yarn Android. These are my styling. Now you need to come to your styling, font family, font dot italic. After that, font family, font dot LoRa medium, font family, font dot this, and last one, font family. So these are my fonts, and this is working perfectly. And Android, for the iOS you need to open your iOS folder. For the iOS you need to open your iOS. After that, come to your main project and click left, and new group, resource, write down the resource, and then click left and add the file, and then go to your downloads and static, and just add it to your fonts. My font is already added. Now you need to run your now you need to add the command in info playlist file in here. So I'm just copying that command to add info playlist file. For after adding your iOS after adding your phone in iOS folder, so now you need to come to the info.playlist file and add these commands: key, UI, app fonts, and then type the array and then paste your all fonts name string and close the string and just write down your font name with the extension so and then paste it and then come to your command line cd iOS, install the board again. Installing the board, need to run your project again, yarn iOS. So now after running the project, you see the changes in iOS also. If you have facing some problem in iOS, so I will tell you, like just came to your iOS folder, write down, open, build setting, build phase, and come here, copy, bundle and resources. If you find your fonts here, so so if you have facing some problem in installing the iOS, so you have some issue with info playlist file, first of all you should check in your info playlist file, and after that you need to check your project also in iOS, and come to your project and build phase and then resource, copy, bundle, resource, and there if you are import your all fonts here, so it will be work perfectly. So just wait for a time to run our app. So these are fonts. Look it worked perfectly. Let me open right, and this is font in iOS, and this it's in iOS it's look like a that, and Android it's look like a that. From the Google font, then you create the folder in with the name of asset and paste your all fonts in here, and then you create the font family in here and paste the import the all fonts in here, and then after that you create the React Native config file and export your modules from here, and then you need to create a Android and now you need to create a folder in Android app src main assets and with the name of the fonts. And for the iOS you also open your Xcode and create the folder with the name of the resources and add your all fonts in here. So that's the way to add your all custom font in React Native project. So see you in next video. Bye bye.